Welcome guys. Hey, good morning everyone. Hey, good to see you. How are you doing guys? How is your day? Happy Tuesday time. Happy trading guys. Welcome on board. Welcome chat. Welcome everyone. Like the video. Come on, let's get the numbers rolling. And enjoy our time on the market. Sitting above 25,300. Nasdaq is really doing its job. You guys have a beautiful day. Dealing with the daily volume weighted average price. Good morning everyone. Welcome guys. God bless you guys. God bless everyone. Thank you so much. Welcome Enzo. Great to see you. Best of luck everyone. We're dealing with that daily VWAP. Let me just zoom in a little more. Let's see if we can get some absorption above the 300s. We have to absorb the bears. Ticktick trader, we're waiting for the live funded. We're not trading them today. We're not trading them in the sim funded anymore. For Ticktick trader, we got to the live stage and we're waiting right now for the transitioning to be completed. We actually started the first steps into transitioning, so now we're in the process. I'm pretty glad about it. I think Project S is decent today from what I've experienced. You guys wanna have your thoughts on that one? We're connecting our Ignite accounts, ready to trade, ready to fly. My starting balance will be $12,000 on the live account for the Ticktick trader because we got 3 times $4,000 added on the balance. So the last time we had 8,000 and then we added 4,000 and it went to 12,000. So the moment we moved to live was 12 grand. And I think that's what's going to be 12 grand. Thank you guys for joining. Yeah, I have to look into that. There is a few options out there. I'll update you with a brokerage. Thank you guys. Yeah, I'm expecting to be a little more than $10,000 there, and that's really comfortable from my standpoint. We can nicely trade on live with the possibilities to cash out every single day, and as I said, my promises is going to be fulfilled. The first payout we're going to have will be fully shared back as cash to our community. Whatever amount of money I get is going to be shared back with our community. It looks like there is a beautiful, beautiful pressure triggered on the VWAP. I'm still looking at that 326 daily opening as an easy target. And then we have a nice 360 fair value gap located at the top. Right there, guys. 360 fair value gap. That's an interesting level to attack today. We'll see. I don't think I'm going to be able to trade Project X live. I don't think it's going to be there. We have to use something else. We have to use something the brokers are going to be connected with. Definitely not with a Project X. Which, by the way, today it's pretty comfortable. So gold is dying, is finding itself under trouble. No surprise. No surprise. We got a double top confirmed on gold. I think I told you yesterday as well. I think I told you on Friday. We are approaching exhaustion here. I think I told you I'd like to see this one below the $4,000 level. Look at that. That's a pretty clear sign. Pretty clear sign. Of refusal. Nasdaq is slowly gonna climb with gold dumping into the all-time high sector. It's gonna ladder up. We're looking fine with this. Indeed. There is a problem. They will sort it out. There's a lot of the things running right now with a Project X issue because multiple companies are facing difficulties and it needs time, right? So the technical side is pretty crowded right now. It's pretty crowded. Pretty crowded. We're excited. Let's go, guys. Come on. Bitcoin is moving. Look at that. Bitcoin just printed $1,000 since we got on the stream. We're going to announce a new partnership, guys, soon. Soon, we're going to announce new partnership. You got to be all ears. We're going to get started and take off with a massive giveaway on that subject. It's not happening today. We have to decide on the date. But we're going to announce a new partnership with a new partnership. It's not a new prop firm. It's a prop firm that's been online for many, many months with a really good situation out there. So we're gonna make that announcement not today, but on my YouTube channel under a video post format. There is gonna be a new partnership and we're gonna trade on that prop firm, and I'll grab you giveaway accounts and I'll grab you great discounts. And you will be able to trade instant funded or challenges, or actually both. And you will be able to have an amazing time out there working through your journey. So, looks like we're looking forward breaking out here, but I'm pretty concerned longing the top 315. Even though I think that daily opening right there, 327, is on the table. Wish I would have longed on the testings of the VWAP here, but it was pretty messy, right? Pretty messy with all the rejections appearing prior to that. Looks like we're keep forcing to the upside and we're getting numbers. But that was not really convincing for me to take my shot. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. So, Lorenzo in straight to funded plus in 50,000. Will the daily draw end of the day stop once we reach? So, you don't have a daily loss limit. You have a max drawdown, which is stopping once you reach your original balance. Exactly. Let's show the market makers who is in charge of the big money. Indeed. They already know. They already know. They already know, certainly. That's already in the books. Looking for an entry, but I'm not having an easy time at this point. Right, so the drawdown and the max loss will stop at your original balance. It will no longer trail once you are reaching 52 grand for the Ticktick Trader 50k, right? Or 103 for the 100k. Lorenzo, at 52, your max loss is stopping. This is why the 100k is really exciting right there. Because once you have the max loss stopping and no longer trailing, creates sufficient advantage for you to sit away, just go for the minimum target, $500 away on the 100k and $250 away on the 50k. Yeah. They're very cheap right now. Ticktick Trader massive promotion. By the way, let me share with you the links. So what we've got here. Yeah. Here's the Ticktick Trader link. And of course, let's not forget about Discord. You definitely want to be part of our Discord. Ah, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Someone from our community just nicely made $11,000 there. Unrealized profits. Today. Beautiful. 114 trades in a day, 78%. Congrats, buddy. That's not only a decent number, it's actually a welcomed one number. A pretty welcome number. I'm starting with the Ignite accounts just to warm up.
Order filled.
I'm just a little long here. Make sure to like the video, guys, so we can pick those numbers up. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We're starting with our Ignite accounts today. Yeah, shorting gold was generating a hell of a money today. If you let your winner run, that's gonna seal up some nice 4-digit profits. But for the moment, we're in a pretty slow conditions out here, following a pattern which is so far respected. Let's see, let's find it out. If we have any algos stepping in about 30 seconds from now. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you guys.
Order filled.
Have DC'd into this one. The buying pressure got in. Let's see if we get some algos triggered. Maybe we get something, but
Order filled.
I'll just have a partial exit there. I don't like these conditions. We might go a little bit lower around the 300, so I'm
Order
out here.
filled.
$169 loss. I'll take that. We might go down around the 300s or even slightly lower. So accepting a partial loss is setting it comfortable. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Look at that. Not gonna short this, but I'm certainly not comfortable being in a long with the way the engulfing came out here. Right, we got that engulfing there. Certainly a must to disappear, chicken out of the trade, and take care about other stuff, right? BTC is also suffering. Thank you guys for joining. Wish you an amazing day out there. We're having a good time. Certainly we're having a good time. So the number one thing is for the giveaway. Like, subscribe, plus join Discord, right? Especially for those of you that are new on our live stream. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Got into 298 that I talked about, and got out of the trade at the right moments. I'm no longer happy about this one to buy in right here. Certainly not. I'd like to see if we pull this one into the 90s. If we pull this one into the 90s, I'm happy to long the markets. Therefore, I'm gonna nicely set a limit order to 91. $92 as well, and 90s, right? Or 5 minutes will get triggered there as a limit order. Come on, bring it down, baby. We just got front run here for... Looks like we're supposed to get hit, right? Look at that, guys. It's just 5 points. We could have monetized. I cannot short this. And I missed the long. We've been waiting the whole thing a little lower. But this is clearly an area of interest for the bulls to protect it. So we just came back wick into playing with the liquidity from all the guys that got into that position and working with a trailing. Therefore, as a proof how you got this price section looking like this long 2 red candles representing a liquidity effect. Come on. This looks
Order
beautiful,
filled.
guys. We got a contract filled up.
Order filled.
2 contracts filled up. 2 minis. I like the other one as well on the 90s. Come on. 2 minis is not sufficient for me. On pre-markets, I'd like my 5 limit. You know, that's what we're trading. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. You're doing a great job. We've seen people reaching to payouts in our community lately. More and more people get to the payouts. See, there's a lot of the conversations here. People having a great time. Oh, we missed our entry on a limit buy I'll take this one away and we're gonna remain with the sniper. And obviously we're gonna go break even. So then if it breaks below, I'll have the opportunity to buy cheaper the whole package. With the exit around the 300s. Make sure to like the video, guys. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. With a sniper entry.
Order filled.
And the target has been touched, the loss has been eliminated, and we're set to profit. But that was a great trade, guys. We're gonna celebrate. Certainly we're gonna celebrate. Beautiful entry point, I think. Beautiful entry point, I think. This is the live account on Ticktick Trader is not ready yet. It takes time, guys. Certainly takes time to switch back and forth with the brokers. Sign the documents. Have your KYC in the most secure way completed. Sign the documents, exchange emails with the broker, and get to that stage, of course. Plus, the company needs to deposit money for me, right? Because this is working with real money, right? So the live trading is working with real money, guys. It's not a joke. It's not a different form of sim funded. No, the live accounts are realistically live accounts. Thank you so much, guys, for joining and for watching. Make sure to like the video. Hello, welcome. The live accounts are realistically live. Our target here is on $500. These are the Ignite accounts that we're doing our warm-up. With gold dumping, I think we're about to see a bullish period for the stocks and for the crypto space. Gold is not gonna grab the all-time high in the short-term period. I don't think so. I don't think we're gonna have a runner like this on gold for the upcoming period. For the upcoming, at least short-term period. I think with this specific pattern that we've got right here and the confirmation of the pressure coming afterwards, we got big players exiting, right? And you guys might have seen those pictures of retail in Asia, or that might have been in Europe as well. But I think that was from Asian countries. Retail buying, queuing up on the streets for buying gold. Right? You know that's a sign. When retail does that, it's a massive sign, just like for the crypto space. Same story. Usually they come in at the end of the cycle, guys. Psychologically, this is the way it is. The more we are at the end of the cycle, the bigger the queue on the streets. Right. Indeed. Right, at least for short term. At least for short term. I don't know about the whole 2025. But I think about the October, November, we might see things cooling off, breathing a little bit. Gotta play with some of the liquidity existent. And then continue its rally. This is an interesting situation here, guys.
Order
Let
filled.
me just grab my long. Beautiful. We got our long just before the market pumped here a little. Couple of points, right? And I'm moving the break even. If we get this one rejected, it's not a good sign for the moment. I might have the ability to buy cheaper. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. And then, of course, for the upside, I'm happy to take that. Oh, wow. That was a beautiful entry from the same levels we talked earlier. And we're about to hit the target, guys. We're about to celebrate. 2 points needed. I was so close not even having the ability to set my target. That's how quickly the market moved. This is an entry point.
Order filled.
And here we go, guys. Celebration time. We got to the first target of today. Make sure to like the video and get subscribed. Come on. Celebration time. We had some sniper entries. For the top 1 futures, for the company that's running 55%. Company's doing 50, but I can give you 55%, guys. 570 bucks. I'm gonna lock myself out. Lock myself out. And have a good time connecting ourselves to the next accounts. To the next accounts. Let me just connect myself. 73. Right, that's the one we gotta do. 73, 77, 85, 96. This boys. The next 4 Ignite accounts. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Let's go. Let's go. As I said, you want to stay pretty close. In the upcoming days, we're going to announce a new massive partnership generating a huge discount. And of course, we're going to put together giveaways. We're going to put together some nice giveaways. For the moment, we're working with Ticktick Trader, Top 1 Futures, and Savius instant funding accounts. By the way, on Savius, there is 60% off. Right, so from the prices you see here, 60% off. Which means the 150k is $256. And the payout is 2,700, the net payout. The target is 5%. That's what you gotta reach, 5%. And the daily loss limit is what triggers people, because it's a hard breach. And you need to know that. That's why you're here. For honesty, for full transparency, guys. My live account is not ready yet, guys. On Ticktick Trader, we're still waiting. The $2,000 have been deducted from all the 5 accounts. And we're still waiting to be fully connected with a broker company and have all the documentation and stuff going around, guys. Let me verify. So I've heard that some of the guys had their profits deleted by Project X. Let me verify, guys, what's happening. But we're gonna get to the accounts where yesterday we made 5,800. Do you guys remember yesterday on my last trade we made $5,800 by mistake because Project X lagged? You enter in a giveaway on the live stream by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, turning on the notification bell, and joining our Discord, right? The giveaway is going to be here. On the live stream, a little later. Gold is cooked, guys. Gold is cooked. It's over. Forget about gold in the upcoming weeks. It's cooked. Time for Russell 2000, time for Nasdaq, and time for Bitcoin to attack the all-time high along with the altcoins. Time for me to see some relief in my altcoins bag. So I can relax for the Christmas time, so I can enjoy the whole... yeah, we're joking. You know, we're gonna enjoy whatsoever, but I'd love to have things sitting on all-time high. Gold is dumping, gold is bearish on higher time frame, and gold is looking for some strong selling pressure trigger. Make sure to like the video, don't forget about it. Bunch of money has been made from shorting gold. It's a pretty strong movement on the daily. Look at that, guys, on the daily. You don't get to see that pretty often after a such rally. This is a pretty strong engulfing here. Oh my god. We have 3.75% today. Where do I expect gold? We've been going price discovery. I don't think we get 3,500. Would be pretty deep, right? But if you get 3,500 all the way to the tops we had there, that's probably a blind long. That's probably a blind long you can do. But then you get 3,900. Pretty interesting, I would say. Pretty interesting. I think we should cross that 4,000. If the market makers want to do something special, we should cross that 4,000. That's a level with a lot of the bids. So I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind.
Order filled. Order filled.
Testing a little long here. We got a volume-weighted average price sitting there. But we're crossing it, guys. Thank you guys for joining. How capable are we to offer a reaction here? No. We're gonna get stopped out. We got the next leg downwards. Pretty close. We have the $1,000 daily loss set.
Order filled.
And we have nicely touched that. What a deep retracement. Oh my gosh. $15 points. Crossing the whole thing. Never mind. So let me set up my copy trading for the upcoming 3 Sim Pro accounts. The Sim Pro accounts have a single day of trading. Looks like the yesterday's profit has been eliminated. Looks like yesterday's profit has been eliminated, guys, from my Sim Pro account. Let me see what's happening in the 2 accounts we made 5,800. Is this one? The profit is gone. The 5,800, oh my god, look at that, guys. This is what they've done to me. The 5,800 profit we made on 2 accounts, it's gone. It has been deleted. There's nothing for the 20 for yesterday. But they moved my stop loss to that level. Like, the stop loss has not been adjusted. And now my stop loss is bigger. My maximum loss limit is bigger than my original bounce. Look at that. I'm 153,267 maximum loss limit. And my balance is below. Like, they did not adjust it. The maximum loss limit. Erased my yesterday's 5,800. Totally disappeared. Look at that silly thing, guys. Yeah. Yeah, but they should have also corrected my max loss limit. Yeah, they reset. But what about the max loss limit? It's above my balance. It's above my balance with $1,468. You see it right there. That cannot mean I've lost the accounts. I'm not going to touch these 2 accounts that are in this situation, because yesterday we were copy trading 2 accounts. I'm just going to do my job. Yeah. Yeah, a legit P&L. I was also longing the markets during those times, and we got a legit P&L, right? Like, why would you eliminate profits when you can only eliminate losses? That could have been caused by the delayed under Project X. There's, 20 seconds between my action till the time the order has been triggered. What if I counted that delay of 20 seconds? Why do you delete my profits? What I already counted the outgate effects. What if I did the math in my mind that I counted the implications of the problems Project X had and I traded that way? Why do you take my profits away? I've been making profits yesterday with the issues around Project X, so I kind of like it, right? I'd like a personal treatment and my servers to be under the same management like yesterday. Totally wrong, so I can make 5,800 today as well. What do you guys think about this proposal?
Order filled.
Looks decent for the moment. Small print. The very, very, very small print. Exactly. Let's put it that way. It's a blessing, right? We could see that way as well. Alright, so it's an agreement between firms. Win or loss. To delete the winners would have implied for the outgate to generate an advantageous situation for the trader, which is not true. It's exactly the opposite. The outgate has generated problems. So if the ones that made money yesterday survived through the problems and made money on top of that, on top of the problems, means they are deserving it, right? Like that, the deleting profits, it's an inverse logic. You have to delete losses because that's how you could end up by dealing with the problems. Yeah, they usually are not taking away the green. Yeah, it's a lot of the work. So what can we do if it's a lot of the work? Now they should separate into categories: winners, losers, wins, losses, negative P&L, positive P&L. There's ways of categorizing these things between the specific time frame. There were no advantages caused by the outgate. There were only disadvantages. And if you made money during a disadvantage, why would you be penalized? Because they have to work more? You don't penalize people by making more during more difficult times. You actually protect the ones that were affected by the difficult environments. You don't penalize those that survived the difficult environments and made money. What are you talking about? I'll take the fries. I'll take that idea. I'll not take the fries. I'll take the idea. Indeed. Market makers. They cannot get penalized because they're watching us here. And they know what they have to do, right? I'm out of this trade.
Order filled.
366 profits. You know, a bunch of companies said, do not trade today using project. Not today, I think for yesterday, right? Now, you don't have to go through the accounts one by one. I think you have to categorize the accounts based on certain criterias, extract those accounts, and execute some functions on those accounts, such as accounts having a negative P&L between this and this time to be reset for the balance of this specific time, right? If it was from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. or whatever time, you want to reset all the losses caused during that time. Yeah. Well, I'm not seeing any problems today. And yesterday we only had a problem with a single trade where we made money. We got out of the trade smartly. So yesterday we made money as well. Today we're making money. We have not seen any problems. There's no reason for them to cut anything. Yeah. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Our giveaways will never have an outgate. We'll never ever have any outgate or giveaways. Or good environment. Our nice chat. And our beautiful time, guys. Our beautiful community will not have these problems. Yeah, well, you know, obviously the firms will enjoy deleting profits. Will obviously enjoy deleting profits. If they got to propose, they will pretty much clear everything. Losses along the way with the profits. Obviously the film is, you know. Yeah. Probably this is the fastest, cheapest solution available for them. Minimal costs and maximum benefits for the prop firms and for the company itself. So let's just do it this way. Customers, better luck next time. Quantower. Now, Quantower is pretty similar. I don't know if you guys got the points. I have not traded on Ticktick Trader yesterday. I don't know. Nah, you cannot do any lawsuit here with the prop firms. You cannot send them in a court. There's no reason to do that. You don't have any justice on the subject for certainly not. No, this is not. That's not the place to fix this, right? I think we're gonna get surprised to see like a coupon code of 100% discount. This might be way more interesting than dealing with a court. 100% discount, unlimited purchases, double payouts on each account, no max loss. What do you guys think about this? Yeah, Jonathan, I don't know if prop firms were allowed in this case to keep profits or were pretty much suggested to debate and decide and maybe just propose. And we might have prop firms requesting to delete the profits as well. We don't know the conversations that were held around, right? We don't have access to those details. But the initiative might came from the prop firms in this formula. I don't know. Market makers, wow. The market makers are here on our live stream. We have the sim environment market makers, right? We have our own market makers, the sim environment market makers. What's happening with the silly price section, guys? We're getting support here.
Order filled.
And I'd like to make some more money.
Order
Am I
filled.
allowed 8 minis long? Am I allowed to make some money on this longs? Yeah, they just do the opposite in the real environment. It's very simple. Oh, look at that. Gold is dumping and the markets are getting scared. So they got to trigger some pressure against me. Now, I do understand we're joking. Obviously, I understand, guys, we're joking. It is separated. We know that. We're joking. We touched the 200 EMA here. Possible reaction level, guys. What a silly drop we had. Do we get something from the 200 EMA? Like, I think we should. I think we should get something from this 200 EMA. From this price section. Nah.
Order filled.
No worries. 200 EMA should deliver, guys. Not worried about it here. Should deliver. This is not looking that bad. It's not looking that terrible. But there is not much room, guys, here for us. Just a couple of points still. We gotta get more strength. We gotta put those numbers together. Nah.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out. Way to the hole. But I should have more drawdown here because yesterday I had 4,500. They took my profits away and they allowed my max loss at 2,500. I should have way more drawdown here in the account. I'm gonna reach out to them. Right? So the drawdown has not been adjusted, but the profits were eliminated. The drawdown has not been adjusted. I should have way more than 2,500 drawdown. Yesterday we made money on this account. And we had 4,500. So I should have $2,000 extra. I'm going to reach out to this problems to be eliminated or to find a solution, guys. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let me open up Quant Tower and start trading there. I told you, this thing is gonna hold, but we got kicked out. Look at that. And now it's ripping. We just got kicked out. Nonsense. And now it's ripping. Let me see what's happening. It's ripping, guys. Look at that. So I have a max loss bigger than my balance. They did not adjust the max losses. It's a pretty good call on that candle with all the pressure. It just went much lower than I expected. I was oversized for that liquidity. Like the video, guys, if you want to be part of the giveaway. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. The giveaway is happening on the live stream. For maximum discount, you can use the coupon code SCRAMBO. $14 minutes and the market opens. Let's get to... Oops, no opening bell. But Quant Tower. No opening bell but Quant Tower. The place where we have to do some money. We came back to revisit this nice entry opportunity. And we're going to trade my Savius accounts right now. 60% off on my Savius offer. Back to 200 EMA. Adding a little more to this. We got to do $2,000 here. $1,500 today. Another $500 tomorrow and we go for the payout. Only $2,000 needed. And we go for the payout, guys. Welcome, guys. Let's go. Take this one to the moon. We're exiting right below 300s. Thank you guys, by the way, for joining. Once we cross the 90s, I'm going to go break even. Maybe around 89, we're going to go break even, guys. 10 minutes to go and the market opens. $2,000 is what we have to produce here. And we're ready to qualify for the payout on Savius. By the way, 60% off. There is a new model of accounts on Savius. 60% off. Keep going, buddy. None of the limit orders we had got triggered. We're out here with 6 minis long. I'm deleting my limit order sitting there. I do not wish to rebuy if that's the case. We should actually have the impulse with us right now. Thank you guys for joining. Look at that. I sold 2 contracts here, accepted a partial loss. My buyback lower. Pretty dangerous. Just deleverage a little bit. We're waiting. And I'm prepared for a nice wick into the wick. Was not filled up. Yeah. Certainly. Join our Discord, guys. Get ready for the giveaway, which starts soon on the live stream. You just have to like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord to participate. And then you gotta be here. I'm leaving my limit orders there. Not touching anything for the moment. We've been protecting this level so far. Moving them slightly lower. Oh. This is heating up, guys. Adding a contract to this. So I've DCA'd. We're sitting on 5. Let's see, what do we get from the 5-minute algo right now. Let's see, what do we get from the 5-minute algo? It's putting pressure for the moment. Pretty good. Come on. No more limit order buyings going on. Adding one more contract to this. We're sitting on 6 once again. One more. 7 contracts. And our exit is on 95, guys. 7 minutes exit on 95, 96. Putting the stop loss and break even. If it wants to get back below 75, for me to have a much better entry. Having a nice time. This is a very important trade because this is going to take us pretty close to the payout, guys. Pretty close to the payout. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We're getting closer and closer to the 2 giveaways we got today. Keep in mind, like I said, in the upcoming days, we're going to announce a partnership with another prop firm, adding to our portfolio. Thank you guys. I think we're going to ladder up. Wish I would see a better distance between the price and the break even, a bigger distance. We just gotta cross that 90s and then I'm gonna be way more comfortable. But this is you know, the 5-minute pre-market algo is bullish for the moment. It's a pretty good looking. Pretty good looking. Come on. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Keep printing. Two minutes to go. Let's see if we get some pressure back. We're sitting above the 90s. We're sitting in a comfortable level. That's a good sign for the moment. Keep going. It went higher. And my target is 3 points away. Oh. I sold 2 contracts. We did not get triggered, guys. I just fully got out. $989. We're going to celebrate. Again, for some reason, we did not get triggered on that one, which is silly. But we're going to celebrate, guys. Because that's good money, guys. That's good money. $989. We covered the loss and we have $989 profit. Boom. Boom. That was a handcrafted trade. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I'm waiting for the opening. I'm relaxed right now, waiting for the opening. I'd like to make another $500, which I'm gonna, I'm gonna fight for. 20 seconds to go. Nasdaq is going to cross that 326 on the daily opening. 8 seconds to go. We're going to trigger that bell. And here we go. Let's do it, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. We got into a little trade here. Casino open. We got in a little trade here. I think this whole thing is going to turn green again. We're putting the break even, guys. It got triggered. We made some money on that, like 20 bucks. Putting back on my long. And my exit is on 302. Come on. Thank you guys for watching, for joining. Appreciate it. But it looks like it's going to test that 200 EMA line once again. Ooh. Pretty aggressive sell-off. Not touching this for the moment. This could actually revisit the 250s. That's what we could see, the 250s, before it runs back up. We have a weekly volume-weighted price there. Volume-weighted average price on 250s. We got a reaction on 256. Not adding anything to this for the moment. It's too risky. And we're in a serious situation with this account. $6,000 maximum loss. It's a good drawdown. But you still want to be careful. Added one more contract to this. We've DC'd here. Around the 70s. Beautiful, right? And this is how much? 291 for my exit, guys. Keep going, buddy. Hmm. 2 points away, we got rejected. DC'd one more contract. 289 for my exit. Come on. Just a little more. We got strength for the upside. We're not dead. We're not that, guys, certainly. Not touching this. Stop loss and break even. Ah. I think it's gonna getting back in my trade here with a single 2 contracts long. We got break even on the previous one, and now we have lower size into... I'm gonna sit in 2 contracts. We got break even and I'm back in 2 contracts. Putting the break even once again. Keep going, buddy. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. That was so close. 1 point away from my target. I'm fully out for the moment. $1,362. We need 150 more. Right? Just take it step by step, because this is not working the other way. Let's just take it step by step. Look at that, guys. So let's just, if we pull this one back into 73, 75, 72, I'm taking my shot. We need 150 more. We need 150 more. Yeah, the price action is beautiful for the moment. Guy into a contract here. Maybe it's a little early. But I'm expecting from the bulls to be more aggressive than they are. DCA'd. We just DCA'd right there. So the next candle, if it's green, we're gonna get to the target, which is I'm expecting the next candle to be green. This one, guys, come on. Bring it up, boys. The target has been hit, guys. $1,514. There you go. Where are the fireworks? Celebration time. Celebration time. We have DC'd at the perfect time, and then we went for the theory. So, whoa, explosions. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you guys. That was lovely. That was lovely. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Thank you. $1,514. We gotta do maybe around $1,000 more. Maybe around that one. I have to check with my consistency with my high stay. But the payout target is at 7,500. Is at 5% for the Savius accounts. By the way, if you want this account, it's $256 and the payout is 2,700. Instant funding accounts. Let me just drop you the links. Instant funded 256 with a payout 2,700. I have this account as well, which I'd like to trade, guys. 5 minis. This is a 300k account. I'm gonna get crazy on that. 5 minis long. Five minutes long. Five more. 10 minis long. Now out for the moment. Out for the moment. Out for the moment. Let's take it slower. Let's stop joking with this one. Do they want to take this in 249, 250s? Weekly VWAP, 250s. Do they want to take it there? Look at that one, guys. The pressure is there. I got scared and I got out. We're doing the giveaway soon, guys. This is a 300k account. And I got a little nervous about it. For those of you that are fresh, we're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Back into my... I don't even have the courage to say. Like, as soon as I clicked, the whole thing dropped. Nah. This is not working, guys. It's not working anymore. It's... Our max loss is far away. It's $10,000 away, but... That's silly. That's a silly price action. I don't like it. Miserable, silly price action. It is tanking, sinking. We got the weekly VWAP sitting there, guys, bothering the price action. But there is the risk for 150s, 140s, yeah, 150s, 140s. That risk is existent. Testing out a little along here. Stop loss on the break even. We can run. All the way back. We can run all the way back, baby. Have DC'd a little more. We got stopped out on break even. Testing another long from here at 5 minis. We might just get this level holding. And we might have the ability to absorb. Let's find it out. Not looking that good. I'm out. Accepted a $450 loss. Pretty good reaction there. Yeah. It's a pretty good sign. Beautiful. Got into a little more for a continuation. 15-minute looks great on the charts. Weekly VWAP might give us a few bouncings. We're going to find it out. Gold is dumping. Oil is dumping. Bitcoin is dumping. Everyone is sinking. The dollar. This is not looking good. Putting my stop loss below that. Like this price section is impossible to be handled. We'll take the loss there. And we took the loss there. It just dumped below the scene. Haven't got supported by the weekly volume weighted average price. The market is dumping. Nvidia, Russell's, S&P, gold is dumping as well. Oil, look at the oil. Boom. Never mind, never mind, never mind. Very important with the Ticktick trader, Ticktick trader is with the live discussion, but with the Savius $700, $800, $900, maybe $1,000 more, and we're ready for the payout. That's very important. Let's just get ready, guys, for the giveaways. Let's just get ready. Let's just get ready for that. The buying pressure already came back. 40, 50 points up. Now that 300k accounts have not been working at all for me. I'm not going to grab those anymore. I'll trade my 150k and that's fine. Alright guys, so how to participate. One, like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. And the third thing is you gotta join our Discord, guys. Do not guess any numbers right now. Wait. Do not guess. Do not write anything. Market is lovely in how it reacts on that weekly volume weighted average price, which is what I traded. So I'll give you time, guys. This is a $25,000 Sim Pro account for Top 1 Futures. $25,000 Sim Pro account, Top 1 Futures, instant funded. Keep that in mind. Right, so like the video, guys. Be subscribed, join my Discord. Come on, everyone. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. Let's start. Let me know your numbers. Good luck, everyone. You can start right now. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Only one guess per person. Do not guess from multiple accounts. Do not play dirty games. You're going to be banned. You're going to be eliminated. That's it. Stop. No more. No more. No more. We're going to shuffle this a couple of times. And we're good to go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have one more, so stick with us. Make sure to like the video. We've got that number 5 coming up on yellow. But that's going to be at the very limit with 0. I think it's going to be the 0. Yeah, it's confirmed. That's the 0, guys. Congratulations for the winners. Let's go for the second round of the first giveaway. I think yesterday we had the 0 as well, and it was only 19 players going for the 0. Let's find it out today. Who's going to be on the list for the 0? $22 guys out there. Wow. So you almost have 5% chance of winning, guys. 5% chance of winning an instant funding account. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Come on, let's go. Guy Ketzer, you're right there. You're right at the top. Oh. Look at the plus 12. Look at the AC. AC, you got it. You got this. You got this. I'm gonna fall asleep, guys. Come on, brother. 15 seconds. 10 seconds to go. Who's gonna light up? And we got you. K Trades 250. There you go. Number 13. 250. Congratulations. $25,000 Sim Pro instant funding account for Top 1 Futures. Congratulations once again. Reach out to me on Discord. That was a lovely one, and we are continuing with the second giveaway. Continuing with the second giveaway today, which is going to be the Ticktick Trader. So how to participate? Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. If you have country restrictions from the Ticktick Trader, do not join this giveaway. Only one guess per person, do not guess multiple times. And of course, not from multiple accounts, you're gonna get banned. You can start right now, let me know your numbers. Good luck everyone. 50 grand, Ticktick Trader, straight to Funded Plus. That's a lovely account. That's a lovely account. Stop, no more. That's it, guys. No more. You can stop right there. No more guesses. That's pretty much it. We're gonna shuffle this only once. There you go. And now we're ready to fly. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. You've joined late, guys. This is the second giveaway. And we're already spinning the wheel. We got that blue 0. I think that's where we're gonna stop, on the 0. Pretty tight with the number 2. But that's gonna be the 0, guys. And there you go. Congratulations for the winners. We got you with the 0. Congratulations, everyone. Let's get to the duck race. So 22 winners for the first giveaway. We're gonna find it out for the second giveaway. Pretty soon. 23 winners out here. Wow. Competing for a minute. Pretty close to 5% chance once again. This is quite exciting. Not the most preferred numbers as it looks like. Congratulations for the winners. Keep going. Oh, it looks like AC, you made it over here as well. Universal Trader 2. So, ICT macro time. I can see some guys that we know. This is pretty tight. Have a look into that. No one has distance. ICT macro time taking the lead, which is not good. Because it's going to get stop lost out. He's going to be breached. Idris is going to be wiped out for sure. And we got K Trades 250 once again with a double winner. What's happening, guys? K Trades 250 with a double winner. Look at that, guys. Back-to-back winning. What's going on? Oh my god. What? That was a back-to-back winner, guys. Look at that. Back-to-back winner for K Trades 250. How is that possible, guys? There's no way, right? There is no way, guys. Out of so many possibilities. Out of so many possibilities, think about guessing the number twice. And then out of 19 guys, and 20 or 22 or 21, what was it, right? You win twice. It's just nuts. And we've got members here in our community that are having a difficult time qualifying for the duck race for weeks. You guys want to calculate the chances of winning back-to-back, crossing the, guess the number, and then winning back-to-back. That's a huge one out there. Congratulations for the winner. You got to reach out to me on Discord. It's just insane, guys. Watch out for lightning. Good job. So, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Can't even get my number picked. Thank you guys once again for watching. Have a lovely day. Careful. Peace. Love. We see you tomorrow. We see you tomorrow. Yeah, we had around 180, 200 guesses on the first giveaway and about 200 guesses for the second giveaway. He got the number and then he qualified. Oh my god. That's a big one. That's once in a life. In this very same situation, we had another community member a couple of weeks ago called Abu. If you guys remember, Abu was in the same situation. It might be Abu once again, but we're gonna verify. He might own a duck race website, and he might be a hacker in real time pushing this. He could be. Or he controls the waters, right? And he controls the energies below the ducks, pushing his own duck. Good job, guys. Once again, utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE pretty much everywhere you need it. The links are also on my Discord. Join us. Have a great time. Any concerns can reach out to me. Looking forward to it tomorrow. And in the meantime, we discuss in Discord. Have a lovely day. Careful, guys. We